Hello guys, good evening to all. This is Mike Padua, and just like to greet you all happy Valentine's Day. Tomorrow is a day of love, and I hope every one of you is full of love. Okay, so this is our weather analysis for this February 13 to 15, 2024, Tuesday to Thursday, and this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands. By the way, if you want to know more about the BPI Sustainable With You program, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching it via Facebook, you can see a link at our description somewhere here as well. And just visit the site and know more about the program of BPI. And if you're viewing it via our website, typhoon2000.ph, there's a banner there of Bea Alonso. Just click it and you'll be forwarded to the Sustainable With You website. So I also want to thank our partners, the Avenue Plaza Hotel, one of the premier hotels in Naga City, and also the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Negacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabriel Gabi Bordado. So, let's begin now with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Tuesday, until tomorrow, Love Month, until tomorrow, Valentine's Day. As you can see, the Northeast Monsoon continues to prevail across the eastern sections of northern and central Luzon, including Bicol Region, Mimaropa, Visayas, Sulu Archipelago, Panatag Shoal, as well as the Calayan Island Group, the eastern sections of Mindanao. But for the past 24 hours and moving forward, the Northeast Monsoon will start to weaken, and it's again moving into another break. Okay, and we have a shear line here, but nothing to worry about because this shear line has less rainfall, just results to very light rain showers expected. And we can now feel the effects of El Nino as we lack rainfall during the past 2 months. Okay, and there are no LPAs or tropical cyclone for forming outside of the Philippine area of responsibility. All clear, and the risk of flooding or landslides across the areas affected by the Northeast Monsoon and the shear line remains at low probability or low chances. Okay, and as we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. You can clearly see here good conditions across the country, except for a thick cloudiness to the southeast of Mindanao, but it is expected to weaken. And here's the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, courtesy of UMETSAT, issued at 2 p.m. until 8 o'clock this evening. There's nothing to worry about. It's all low to mid-level clouds from the Northeast Monsoon, bringing some cloudy conditions and windy up to 48 kph. And there will be also some very light showers or drizzles across these areas affected by the Northeast Monsoon. And we have here approaching cloudiness generated by the convergence of the Northeast Monsoon and the near equatorial trough. And it's likely to bring some thunderstorms across the southernmost portions of Soxagen and Davao Oriental. And as we take a look at the wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days, and right now we are experiencing the Northeast Monsoon up to 40 kph gustiness over the ocean is around 60 kph. For the next 24 hours, tomorrow, Valentine's Day, the Northeast Monsoon will start to weaken, and on Thursday, it's likely to return to our usual warm easterlies. Calm to light conditions or light winds will be expected all throughout the country. And as we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days, there will be only very light or drizzles, light showers across the eastern sections of Luzon, particularly northern Quezon. the eastern sections of the Bicol region, particularly eastern Catanduanes, eastern Albay, and eastern Sorsogon, as well as the eastern sections of eastern Samar and eastern Leyte will be having some chances of light showers or drizzles within the next 3 days until Thursday. And so far, so good. The rest of the archipelago will remain dry. Okay, and for the wave forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com, right now, Tuesday, we are still experiencing wave heights of 3 to 4 meters across the eastern coastal waters of the Philippine Sea. And for the next 3 days, by tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, it will slowly weaken. Wave height on Friday will just be around 1.5 to 2.5 meters, while over the inland waters of the Philippine Islands, particularly Sulu Archipelago, Visayan Sea, Bohol Sea, and the Visayan Sea will have wave heights of 0.3 to 1 meter, so very calm and very light, so it's suitable for sea travel and fishing activities. And also across the West Philippine Sea, not a problem at all. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest update for this evening before Valentine's Day. Again, happy Valentine's to all tomorrow. I hope you're all full of love and happiness. And that's all for now. This is Mike Padua saying good night. Have a great Valentine's Day. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.